I am here with Rohan today, and he is going to tell us a little bit about his experience using our software, and I'm excited to dive in. So, how are you?
Oh man. So using the software, okay, my experience has been let's just say sensational, okay? I'll tell you why. One thing beautiful that Nurp has done, I love that you guys put that up on my FX book, is you the thing has been trading for like what, 4 years? Odyssey? I'm using Odyssey.
Nice.
And its maximum drawdown has been 4.9% over 4 years. That's a big chunk of data. So we know that, that's something you never know if that's going to break, but that's something we have to trust, right? We're dealing with the future here. So the past rhymes with the future, as we say. So you have to kind of trust that that 4.9% is where it should be. If it breaks that, maybe temporary. Okay. So I just put 85K into it. The 85K might sound like a lot to some people. Some might be like, hey, this guy, I'm not listening to him anymore. It's all
It's
perspective.
all relative. Yeah.
It's all relative, as you say. Yeah, yeah. So for me, I put 85K in, and the team was incredible with setting me up. They were like, yeah, let's do forex.com. They attached it to the master account, and with the one risk setting, and since I knew what the maximum drawdown was, and I was comfortable losing more because as somebody who's been experienced in this field, I'm used to. I think we've all been burned at one point or the other, right?
Yeah.
So I'm comfortable taking larger losses. So I knew that the drawdown capability, 4.9% is incredible. That's a very robust system. So I went into the Nurp settings and I changed my risk multiplier to 2x. And then the freaking euro broke out, man. You know what happened? Like,
Yeah.
1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, say 10% is where it should stop. It just kissed that,
Wow.
and it bounced like heavily, man. Like it was it's amazing to watch the software. I don't know if I can just give you a screenshot, but I keep MetaTrader open.
So do I.
Yeah, yeah, I just love watching it, man.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
incredible. Yeah, it's unfortunate. You never know when you're going to get into a drawdown, right? You never know. You just have to trust the system, and it just bounced back.
It's inevitable.
Exactly,
It's
exactly.
it's the mental preparation prior to using the software and being realistic. It is a brilliant software. It has done exceptional for a long period of time for hundreds, if not thousands of people. So I love where your head's at. You're definitely one of the most sophisticated people I've spoken to on this matter. I'm very impressed. Let me ask, what is your background?
So I still work as a cloud engineer. I move stuff to the cloud. So that's my background. I've been doing that for about 8 years. But 8 years ago, I used to park cars at $10 an hour.
Wow.
I used to valet cars, man. And I always wanted to do something more. So while, there was a lot of downtime when there were no cars coming. So I started studying networking because I had an aptitude for computers. So I started studying for my Cisco and stuff. And long story short, from there, I jumped into help desk. I jumped into engineering.
Impressive.
That's my background, man.
And so I want to ask you now, how long have you been using the software?
So the software I've been using about 2 months now.
2 months now. And prior to that, you said that you've tried other softwares, or maybe you did. What is your experience in investing?
So with investing, my experience with investing is like I usually don't invest. I'm more of a trader. So for me, I did the whole jump from Discord to Discord and try to follow different people. And I was like, hey, this is dumb because whatever they fill at, I never fill at because when soon as they send out an alert, the thing pumps, and you miss it. That's not a good game. So I started uh, doing my own thing, studying from different books, studying from different courses. And finally, I found success with NinjaTrader and trading futures. So NinjaTrader is amazing with automated strategies. So you can define like entry exits. And, once you understand what trading is, it's like, hey, you have to have an edge over thousands of trades, right? You will always
Yeah.
have losses. I wish people understood that, that, hey, trading is a probability game. You're dealing with the future. You have no idea what's going to happen.
Yeah.
When your edge presents, you strike, no matter what, don't question it, just strike. I think it was Mark Douglas, right, who did
Yeah.
work over this. So anyone who's struggling with that, who doesn't understand losses, go check out Mark Douglas. Huge, huge resource over there. Read Trading in the Zone. That's all you need. Okay.
Nice. Yeah.
So yeah, so for me, NinjaTrader, that changed it for me because I was like, I know my weakness. I suck as a trader, like manual trading. I suck because as it comes close to my stop loss, if when I was manually trading, I would move it. I'd be like, it's okay, it's okay. You know, And when you do automated trading, it's emotionless, right? It doesn't do the stupid things that I'm sure you don't do it, but I do it.
We all
I,
do.
I
We all do.
I will take profit too quickly. I will take a loss. I will take a bigger loss than I need to. From there, whatever profits I made, I came and I diversified with Nurp, and man, this thing is like bonkers versus what I do. So it's incredible to see it like going to the Great British Pound versus the Japanese yen, and you're like, oh my god, what's it doing there? But it knows what it's doing, so it's been incredible. Just watching it, just do
And
all these things.
in the last 2 months, what has been your gain, or what is the account at now?
So my account is right around break even.
Right on.
It was unfortunate I went through that drawdown,
Yeah.
but the way it handled it is it built my confidence in the system. So I really it's good to experience the bad, I guess, before you experience the good. But that experience was incredible to see how well it managed, and it respected that max drawdown perfectly. So my trust in the system is like, man, I love this thing.
It's nice. That's
And
amazing.
I love being able to. I just go for a hike. I hike almost every day. And while I'm on the out there, there's like areas where I get reception. I just open MetaTrader and I'm like, nice, it's going. Let's go.
It's like having an employee that just full time just trades always for you.
It is a beast. It's like it's incredible to see how many positions it's holding, and then how it's taking profit. You can see when the balance starts shifting, you'll be like, oh yeah, there it goes. It's taking some profit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's cutting a few losses here. But yeah, it's been incredible, man. I can't wait to continue and see what it can do.
That's amazing. The Odyssey has a very attractive thing when we look at drawdowns in comparison to monthly averages. It's very impressive. In the last 2 months, I know it's kind of soon, but do you foresee this being a product that you would ever recommend to any other individuals?
Yes. So for me, I still need a little more time to judge if it's worth it, because I still have to. My account is just coming back to break even.
Yeah.
I've not even made the initial buy-in back. So it looks like it's very possible though that it'll make all of that back. I've done some math. It looks like it should be able to cover its own cost in about 3 months, which is incredible. With this two risk factor, again, I'm taking a bigger risk, but again, I'm very comfortable with it. It's not that much of risk, So if it makes it back and it starts becoming a money printer for me, it's a no-brainer, man. It's like it just does everything so well. It just manages everything. You have to do absolutely nothing. Just if you're a nerd, you want to watch it like me, open MetaTrader, just look at it and be like, oh no, it's quite all right. Pretend you know what is going on, but it's nice. It's very nice to watch.
That's awesome. Well, dude, it's been such a pleasure. Do you have any questions for me?
Pleasure. No, pleasure.
No?
I also have to run here and do a meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care. Have a good day.
Take care, brother. All right.